Namaste and welcome back. In today's video, we want to take a look at our excuses. Think about all the times you wanted to do something new, take a leap into the unknown, build a new habit, turn your life around, and then you didn't do it. You probably followed it up with an excuse you gave yourself as to why you couldn't possibly do the thing you wanted to do. I don't have enough time. I don't have enough money. I don't know how. I'm not good enough. I'm just not ready yet. This is too hard. And first of all, let me say, this is totally okay and totally normal. We all come up with excuses for ourselves. But the problem is, most of the time, these excuses are just that, excuses. They are not actual reasons. In fact, most of the time, the excuse will probably pop up in your head before you even try this new thing you want to do, and it prevents you from giving it a real shot. So, in many ways, your excuses are your biggest obstacles. It's not a real thing or problem that is lying in your way and that you need to overcome. It's your mind. It's your mind coming up with excuses so you don't step outside your comfort zone, so that you stick to your routine and your mind can keep on conserving energy because it won't have to learn something new or integrate something new into its neurological patterns. So how can we outsmart our brain and overcome these excuses? That is the real question that we are going to cover in the next couple videos. We're going to look at 3 very common excuses we might give ourselves when we don't feel like practicing yoga. And we will look at how we can switch these up and find a solution. Until then, I would like you to look at your own excuses that you often use when it comes to practicing, or rather not practicing yoga. Write them down on a list, and then tomorrow we'll start looking at specific excuses one by one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again tomorrow.